Alright, so here's how to change your TikTok region country location. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the settings of your mobile phone and simply search, or you can find it out the region. So for my case, I'm gonna search region here, and from the additional settings you can find the region. So as you can see guys, we are on the United States selected in our system. So if you want to change your location, then firstly you need to change the location from your mobile phone, as the TikTok tracks your mobile phone and tries to track your mobile phone location as well. So after doing so, you can change your location like that. And then again guys, do not use the VPN to change your location. It won't work. Sometimes it will get banned, get your account banned. So don't use the VPN. If you are some cases you guys are moving around, like if you are moved to the US, or sometimes you guys have moved to the Germany, then you can change your region first in the settings, and then you can simply stay there 60 days. This is the ultimate thing guys. You cannot change your TikTok location by using the VPN actually. So you need to change your TikTok location only by staying there for 60 days first. Then you can simply first thing, you need to change the country location from the region that I've shown you recently. Then you can simply, after staying there for the 60 days, then you can again come to this and go and select the settings. First three dots, then settings, then you need to go to the accounts and go with the account information. Now from here you can select the region. Alright, then from here you need to select the country that you recently moved in. Like for me, I'm gonna select United States. Then you will get to know, as you can see guys, we cannot update the region because only because we doesn't stay into the United States for 60 days. So if you are in the United States, you can change the region. Rather than that, you cannot change the region guys. This is the ultimate thing, because they track your location from the internet. So if you're using the VPN, the cheap VPN will be tracked down and your account will be suspended soon. But you can simply use the premium ones to stay anonymous or change your location. But it doesn't work for many cases, so do not try with VPN guys. I'm warning you for the last time. And for the correct way, you can change the region if you moved into a new place. So that's how you can simply change TikTok region, location, country for free. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.